Hey Shein lovers! Today I'm going to show you how to use the Shein app for personalized fashion picks. Let's get started. First, all you need to do is to download the Shein app and sign in or create an account. This helps the app to save your preference and purchases. Then, head to the Me tab and tap on the style preferences. Choose the styles, sizes, colors you'd love. This helps the Shein recommend items just for you. And when browsing, filter by category, size, style, color, and even material to instantly find items that match your vibe. Then scroll through the homepage or tap More to Love. Shein knows how to show items based on your past views, wish list, and purchases. Then tap the heart icon to save the products. The more you like, the better your future picks gets. And that's it. Your fashion, your way on the Shein app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop your Shein wish list in the comments below. Thanks for watching.